5 minutes a day, same move. Here's what can actually change in just a few weeks. It might seem too simple, but the science behind doing something small consistently is powerful. So what happens if you commit to just 5 minutes of jumping jacks every single day? Before we jump in, a quick safety note. This is for educational purposes. If you feel any pain or get dizzy, please stop. And if you have knee or ankle pain, you can and should use the low-impact version. Just step one foot out to the side at a time while your arms do the same motion. No jumping needed. You'll still get a fantastic workout without stressing your joints. Alright, so what does this one move actually do? Jumping jacks are incredible because they wake up your whole body all at once. Your legs, your arms, your lungs, and of course, your heart. It's a full body wake-up call. Let's talk about day one. You start the timer and it feels hard. It feels hard because your heart rate rises fast and your breathing gets heavy almost immediately. That's your cardiovascular system getting a sudden jolt. It's your baseline. But then, after the session is over, the magic happens. Many people feel more awake, more focused, and mentally lighter. This isn't just in your head, it's chemistry. That short burst of activity releases endorphins, but also boosts dopamine and serotonin, the neurotransmitters tied to mood, motivation, and well-being. That feeling of a stress cloud shrinking, that's real. Now, fast forward to week one. You're doing the exact same 5 minutes that felt so tough on day one, but now you get less winded. Your heart and lungs are already becoming more efficient. Your body is adapting and you can feel it. At the same time, your coordination improves. The movement of your arms and legs starts to sync up smoothly, almost automatically. Think of it like a metronome in your mind, helping everything flow together. This improved coordination carries over into other parts of your life too. With consistency, your cardio endurance really starts to build. We're talking about a stronger heart, better circulation, and an improved ability for your body to use oxygen. It's a small daily deposit into your long-term health account. Your resting heart rate may even lower over time. And what about your legs? Your calves and thighs build serious stamina from repeating that explosive pattern. Because jumping jacks are a weight-bearing exercise, you're also doing something great for your long-term bone density, helping to keep your bones strong. To make sure you're getting all these benefits safely, let's quickly touch on the best form. Remember 3 things. Land with soft knees to absorb the impact, aim for a quiet landing to protect your joints, and use a full arm swing all the way overhead. Green checks on all 3 of those and you're golden. So what's a simple plan to follow? Don't just try to jump for 5 minutes straight. Break it up. Do 60 seconds of jumping jacks, then take a 15-second rest to catch your breath. Repeat that cycle until your 5 minutes are up. It makes the time fly by and keeps the intensity high but manageable. So here's the challenge. Try it for 14 days, just 2 weeks. It's a tiny commitment that can show you what your body is capable of. Will you do it? If you're ready to give it a shot, comment with yes or start to make that commitment to yourself. You might be surprised at what 5 minutes can do.